Have you ever wondered how your environment shapes who you are? Understanding human behavior requires a mix of theories. These frameworks reveal the complex interactions of people and their surroundings. Today, we'll explore key frameworks that cover various aspects of human behavior in different contexts. Let's start with Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory. Developed in the late 20th century, this theory emphasizes that our development happens within layered systems. These ranges from close relationships to broader socio-cultural influences. First, we have the microsystem. This includes our immediate interactions, like with family, friends, and schools. Here, our daily socialization processes take place. Next, we look at the mesosystem. This focuses on how different microsystems interact. For example, think about how family influences school performance. Now, let's discuss the exosystem. It includes environments that indirectly affect us, like parents' workplaces. These external factors can impact our everyday lives without direct involvement. Then, we move to the macrosystem. This covers cultural and societal values that shape our experiences. Lastly, there's the chronosystem, which considers time and transitions in life. Events like moving to a new city or experiencing a recession affect our growth. These layers illustrate how our connections influence our development. Bronfenbrenner argues that repeated interactions with significant individuals drive our growth. Next up is Lewin's field theory. This theory states that behavior is a function of the person and their environment. The famous equation is B equals FPE. It emphasizes the importance of context in understanding behavior. Lewin highlights that behavior must be analyzed through both individual and situational lenses. When we alter our life space, either through personal change or environment change, new behaviors emerge. Moving on to sociospatial theory, which examines how space and society intertwine. Spatial arrangements reflect social relationships and power dynamics. Consider urban planning. It is not just technical. It relates deeply to historical and political contexts. This theory shows how physical space impacts access to resources and opportunities for people. Next, we explore place attachment theory. This theory looks at emotional bonds people form with specific locations. These connections can shape our identities and overall well-being. Place attachment includes 1. Place dependence, how a location helps achieve our goals. 2. Place identity, the symbolic meaning these places hold. 3. Social bonding, relationships formed with others in those places. Understanding place attachment is crucial, especially in urban development. It illuminates why some projects are embraced and others resisted. Finally, let's consider how these frameworks complement each other. Bronfenbrenner gives a structural map of influences. Lewin stresses the significance of situational contexts. Sociospatial theory points out social power, and place attachment emphasizes emotional layers. Together, these frameworks provide a holistic view of human behavior. They encourage the analysis of structural, emotional, and situational dynamics in our interactions. In summary, understanding human behavior through these frameworks enhances our insights. They illustrate how deeply rooted our connections are with our environments and communities. Now, it's your turn to reflect on your own social environments. How do they shape your behavior and identity? Dive deeper into these theories and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging content.